Meaning of example.
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 Example. Example refers to a particular instance used to illustrate a general idea or concept. It is a sample or model that represents a larger group or category. The purpose of an example is to provide clarity and understanding through the use of a concrete, tangible reference point. Examples can be used in a variety of contexts, including education, business, and communication. By providing examples, complex ideas can be simplified and made more accessible to a wider audience. Overall, the use of examples is an effective way to enhance understanding and communication in various fields.